This is Keep On Pushing TV with Devon Harris.
Yeah, one of the probably most important stories that I skipped over that told me where I should have been going, but I didn't actually listen to it, was when Duran and I were sitting on the stoop of our apartment building, and we were engineering students, so we were doing math in our free time because what else are we going to do, right? And so I was paying.
Count your fingers.
So I was paying $3.95. I had two roommates doing the same thing. He was doing the same thing downstairs, and he had two roommates doing the same thing. You multiply that out around the complex, the guy that owned it was making $700,000 a year. We never saw him. We never talked to him. Mm-hmm. He'd figured out how to decouple his time from money. He had third-party property manager, and it's like, oh man, this is amazing. How do you do that? Back to, my parents were, my dad a soldier, my mom stayed at home with me. So we didn't have wealthy real estate investors coming over to our home telling me or exposing us to this concept of having people pay you for a place to live. And so had I actually followed that path and actually run that idea to ground instead of going and getting a job and doing all the things that you're supposed to do, I probably would have ended up in a very different place a whole lot sooner that wouldn't have had me climb all the way up that ladder only to come back down to climb up a different one. Mm-hmm. I probably would have climbed up the right one the first time, which is, hey, figure out how to generate income without having to trade all of your time to generate it. And then focus on the things that you're most passionate about without the worry of that impacting your lifestyle.